Greetings and welcome to this training video about how to create multiple dashboards tutorial. I want to talk about the newest release for the custom dashboards within the 497 plan on high levels. Basically, if you are looking or you've had a customer that's like, I want to have customized dashboards, this is an easy way you can upsell within your ecosystem, is having customized dashboards. You could actually custom tailor these out for your particular clients or even your agency for that level. So if you come in here on your dashboard screen and you go to dashboard here, you can actually create a couple different dashboards. So we are in a demo account. But I'm going to show you basically how this works. So if I came in here, and let's just say that I wanted to make this dashboard for employee target, right? Because for me, I really like to know what my employees are doing. You can also make this if it's for yourself or everyone. If you wanted your full entire team to see that, you could make it view and edit where they could edit it, or you could just make it a view only. For me, I like something like this to be a little bit more private, because I want to be able to gauge whether or not they are actually doing their task if they are turning around and doing with their performance matrices that I'm asking them to do on a daily date. So let's just go ahead and create this one, as if it's a private dashboard for me. So there's a couple of different ways that you can come in here. You can just add a widget and build it yourself, or you can utilize one of these pre-made widgets down below. So let's think about this in terms of tasks. Anybody that has overdue tasks, you can actually come in here and see based on what those tasks are from that perspective. There are a couple of ways in here that it's going to turn around and let you filter this down. Agent, right? So if we look at opened opportunities, we make conditions, we are going to say in statless pipeline is 23, right? So let's just say that in this pipeline, this is the way this user is actually going from that perspective. And then we click save from that perspective. There is another thing in here, is that you can actually make sure that you are utilizing the chart. So this is just a number. Say that this is, you want it to be a donut, a line graph, a bar chart, or a horizontal bar. I personally like the donuts a little bit more, because I'm able to see a few more things in here. And you can actually make it to where it's like status change, or, if it was like this year, last month, last 7 days, you're able to configure this a little bit more. And then you can also make it ascending or descending of how many to limit. Right? You can get super creative in here in terms of like how you would like these employee matrices to be. But for me, I like to customize my entire dashboard so I know how my team is actually performing. You could even get a little bit more creative in terms of like how many calls they are making. What is it that your AI agents are actually doing for you? Are they booking appointments? We'll let the creativity soar in here from this perspective, and you can make it to where, again, you can see this only or your team can see this. So it's a good way for you to actually get in here and get going. Thanks for listening to this video about how to create multiple dashboards tutorial. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment ticket.